This is Highbiz News and I'm Amalu Katragadda. Karnataka likely to impose curbs on New Year celebrations. The Karnataka government indicated it is likely to impose curbs on public celebrations ahead of the New Year while ruling out the possibility of night curfew for now amid an experts panel report expecting a second wave of COVID-19 in early 2021. The Technical Advisory Committee TAC for COVID-19 in the state has indicated the possibility of the second wave of the pandemic during January-February and has recommended to ban New Year public celebrations in the last 2 weeks of this month till January 1st and to impose night curfew in the period. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, in response to a question from reporters about the possibility of imposing a night curfew, said there is no such plan for now. Health Minister K. Sudhakar along with officials held a meeting with TAC members on their advisory or recommendations to control the second wave. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Sudhakar too said there was no question of any curfew as there is no need for it now. He said, but people will have to follow the guidelines like social distancing, control unnecessary large gatherings at places including marriages. Responding to a question on New Year celebrations, especially at places in Bengaluru where large numbers of people gather, he said not only Brigade or MG Road, TAC has said that in the entire state from December 20th to January 2nd, all kinds of events have to be prohibited and a decision on this will be taken soon. On opening of pubs, bars during these days, the minister said a decision will be taken after going through the report and discussing with senior officials and consulting the chief minister. The TAC, consisting of expert doctors and specialists, was constituted in March and from then till now it has held 54 meetings. The committee has made a slew of recommendations in a bid to avert a crisis emerging out of the possible second wave after studying a similar outbreak in various places across the world. As of December 3rd evening, cumulatively 8,89,113 COVID-19 positive cases have been confirmed in the state, which include 11,821 deaths and 8,52,584 discharges. The TAC has asked the state to keep ready by first week of January clinical facilities at October level when daily cases were about 10,000 per day in terms of beds, ICUs, ventilators and so on, both in government and private hospitals, or this could be ramped up at a short notice of 2 to 3 days maximum. Noting that a minimum of 1.25 lakh tests per day should continue till the end of February 2021, of which 1 lakh shall be RT-PCR, 1:5 pooled in lab as per state protocol. The TAC has recommended fortnightly testing of all teachers, pupils and staff in educational institutions, Anganwadi staff and others by RT-PCR. On opening of schools and pre-university colleges, the minister said a decision is likely to be taken during a meeting under the Chief Minister's leadership in December 3rd or 4th week. The State Election Commission has announced polls to 5,762 Gram Panchayats in the state in 2 phases on December 22nd and 27 after the High Court recently provided 3 weeks time had asked it to announce the schedule. Thanks for watching Highbiz News.